Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best window sealant you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best window sealant in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Sashco 10016 Stretch Caulk. Sashco is a great all-around caulk, but it's not perfect for windows because there are no anti-mildew ingredients. Big Stretch is perfect for many interior and exterior applications, including windows, doors, siding, vents, soffits, eaves, and baseboards. It is also good for crown molding and soundproofing interior walls. Big Stretch should not be used or specified in areas of water submersion, where frequent or prolonged puddling occurs, or in areas of high foot or vehicle traffic that means swimming pools, tubs, showers, sidewalks, driveways, highways, and patios. Mold and mildew can grow on parts of the house that don't get much sunlight if you live in an area where moisture collects on the windows. It also takes a long time to cure and attracts dirt while you're waiting. You will prefer clear caulking to white caulking because it can be used in more places. Sashco 10016 caulk is long-lasting and simple to apply with any caulking gun. It easily comes out and stops when you let go of the trigger, allowing you to keep your bead even. It's a long-lasting caulk, and we've had it in places in our house for more than 2 years with no shrinking or cracking. It adheres tightly to the surface while remaining flexible. For details, let's watch more. Our second best window sealant is Gorilla Silicone Sealant Caulk. Gorilla Waterproof Caulk and Seal 100% Silicone Sealant seals out water, air and moisture and is great for kitchen, bath, window, doors, auto, marine plumbing, gutters and more. The best overall caulk for windows is Gorilla Clear Silicone Sealant Caulk. It's a silicone sealant that dries completely waterproof. It can be submerged in water for 30 minutes and dries clear, so it won't look out of place. It's ideal for windows, but it can be used on any surface. It is malleable and does not change color, shrink, or crack when exposed to heat or sunlight. It also resists mold and mildew. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is GE500 Silicone Sealant Caulk. GE500 Silicone Sealant Caulk is our pick as the best caulk for windows. This is advanced silicone 2 window and door sealant is a high-performance, 100% silicone and 100% weatherproof sealant formulated to protect areas susceptible to harsh weather. These areas include windows, doors, siding, trim, molding, baseboards, vents, basements, attics and around wires and pipes. Its 30-minute rain-ready formula offers 40% more flexibility than Class 25 sealants and is 5x stronger than silicone. It's a 100% silicone caulking that dries in 30 minutes and is weatherproof. It is weatherproof once dry and remains permanently flexible. It is better adhesion than regular caulking and will not shrink or crack. It is sun, heat, and ultraviolet ray resistant, and it does not freeze in the winter. It is mold resistant, does not fade over time, and will not discolor any metal. The only disadvantage of GE500 silicone is that it dries a cloudy gray and, because it cannot be painted, does not look as nice as some other brands. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Loctite Clear Silicone Waterproof Sealant. Loctite Clear Silicone Waterproof Sealant is a multi-purpose adhesive and sealant which creates a waterproof, protective seal that is ideal for metal, glass, rubber, tile and porcelain. It is designed to be used indoors and outdoors to repair everything from electrical connections to seams on boots to stop leaks in wet weather. Loctite Clear Silicone Waterproof Sealant can be used to bond or repair saltwater or freshwater aquariums. Loctite Clear Silicone Waterproof Sealant can be used for bonding ABS, glass, ceramic, porcelain, wood, aluminum, stainless steel, cultured marble, fiberglass, granite, vinyl tile, some rubbers and plastics. Used for sealing or repairing door frames, windows, vents, toys, appliances, gaskets, weather stripping, outside of fireplace doors, shoes and boots. Loctite Clear Silicone Waterproof Sealant is a 2-in-1 product that bonds and seals. It's 100% silicone and works on multiple surfaces. It is impact resistant but flexible, and it can even be used underwater. It will not crack, shrink, or peel, and its adhesive properties will assist you in bonding items around the house. Last in our best window sealant list is Loctite Tight Foam Window Sealant. The Loctite Tight Foam is an excellent solution for keeping air and moisture out of your home while maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. It has a uniform cell structure and a high density for increased durability, allowing it to fill and seal larger gaps. It expands and bonds to the majority of common building materials, keeping drafts and pests at bay while not bending frames. The Loctite Tight Foam comes with an easy-to-use straw applicator for precise application. Any excess foam can be easily trimmed when dry and, if necessary, painted.